friends are always working hard together. Pippa, Chuck and Lionel in a new adventure.
Budgie!
Rocketing rotors. Oh. Budgie's a little helicopter. He is nippy, look at him go, it's Budgie, the little helicopter.
Budgie to Lionel, over.
Go ahead, Budgie.
I've dropped the supplies off at the lighthouse.
Good show.
I'm on my way to collect those engine parts. Then I'll...
Yes, Budgie, what is it?
Some funny things in the sea.
What do they look like?
Like upside-down ice cream cones. Only they're black. I'll take a closer look.
Careful, Budgie. Never know what they might be.
They're seals, Lionel. Playing in the water.
Seals? Oh, jolly good show.
I'll leave them in peace. Back soon, Lionel.
Roger, Budgie. Over and out.
Oh, I wish I'd seen them.
They'll be there another day, I expect.
What's that, you guys?
Hello, Chuck. Budgie saw some seals while he was out.
Seals? Hey, that's a coincidence.
How do you mean?
Well, I just heard Lionel saying we got a walrus coming in.
Coming in here?
That's what he said. I guess we'll have to fly it to a zoo or something.
Oh, poor thing. They should leave them where they belong.
Well, a job's a job, kiddo.
Well, I think Pippa's right. I mean, rocketing rotors?
Wowee! That guy's crazy!
He's got to crash. Flying that low?
I can't look.
Oh, hey!
What?
Take a look!
Crumbs! Who's that?
Mike,
Yeah?
the walrus is here.
Ah, great, man. Oh, no.
And when you get there, put them down carefully.
Okay, Captain.
And it's not Captain! As I was saying, the new arrival is called Wally. He's a supermarine walrus, an old amphibious aircraft.
Amphibious?
It means he can land and take off from land or sea.
Gosh, that's clever.
Yes, not been too good lately, though. Come here for some repair work.
Oh, dear.
I'll see him when I get back from this trip. But he'll be all right. I'm sure he will.
What do you think, Ken?
Well, I can't see any holes, but it's in pretty rough condition. I'll just give the engine another go.
Right.
No use. It might only be good for scrap.
Oh, pity that. Whoops!
You want to be careful, or you'll only be good for scrap. Anyway, we've no time now. We've got to collect the pickup truck from the garage.
Yeah, right, man.
Give us a hand to push this old heap into the hangar.
Oh, yes. I've travelled all over the world. Taken off from lakes in Canada, rivers in Africa.
Wow!
Flown between islands in the Pacific, through tropical hurricanes.
Gosh, how wonderful.
Well, yes, but that was all a long time ago. I'm not much use for anything now.
Of course you are.
I'll just rust quietly away.
No such thing.
I don't seem to have the energy to take off anymore.
All you need is a bit of help. I'm sure we could... Yes!
You'll never manage his weight, Budgie.
Of course I will.
It's a job for a tractor, is that? I'm used to pulling hay wagons.
Right. He's ready.
Young Budgie ain't cut out for towing no aeroplanes.
Oh, Ernest. It'll really cheer Wally up if we can get him off the ground.
Well, don't say I didn't warn you.
Come on, Budgie.
No use.
I told him. Come down, son, and let me have a go.
My goodness! Hey!
Come on, Wally, you can do it.
Ernest, look out!
Wally, the hedge!
Oh no!
It's my own fault. I bit off more than I could chew.
My fault, old son.
No need to apologise. No harm done. Thanks, Smokey.
That's all right, mate.
I'll get back to the farm then. Ta-ra!
Are you all right, Wally?
Yes. I should have landed in the pond, not Ernest. I'm made for it.
Don't you worry about Ernest. He's all right.
It'd be nice to be in the water again. I miss the sea.
It's not far from here. The sea.
Gosh, yes. That's what you need. A trip to the seaside, and people could see the seals.
Yeah, but how's he going to get there?
Like he got here. All we need is a good strong truck to tow him along. Someone who's used to carrying loads.
Here, what are you all looking at me for? Oh no! Oh no!
Well, he made it.
Yes, good old Del.
Gosh, Del must be worn out.
I just hope this works, Wally. I'm worn out.
I'm sorry, Del. I'm an old nuisance.
No, you're not. And now you're here, make the most of it.
Oh, wonderful.
Isn't it? I wish I could paddle. Me tyres are killing me.
Everything all right, Wally?
Oh, this is wonderful. Makes me feel 20 years younger.
Great. Why don't you have another go at taking off?
Oh, no, I don't think I can. Mind you, this pier reminds me of the ship's decks I used to take off from in the old days.
Max, be quiet. Come on. What's the matter with you?
You didn't take off from boats like that, did you?
Good gracious, no. Much bigger and much dirtier. Get off!
Yeah, what's going on down there?
Hey, you! Hey! My boat! Stop! Stop! My boat! My dog! He's after my yacht! Hey!
Hey! He's taken the fella's boat!
Oh, crumbs. Del, we better do something.
Leave him to me!
What? How can you?
Number 7 Squadron! Into action!
Good grief!
Hang on. I'm coming with you.
Whoop!
Budgie, I've radioed the police.
Okay, Pippa. Great.
He stopped him!
Come on in, you chaps! Hey, the walk was lovely.
I can't understand it. This morning it wouldn't start at all. This afternoon it goes first try.
Yeah. Now we can really get to work on it.
So there'll be no more unofficial trips to the seaside, all right?
Yes, Lionel.
No, Lionel.
Still, you all did a good job, so well done. And I'm sure we're all looking forward to hearing some of Wally's other adventures. He's going to...
He's already gone, Lionel. To sleep.